Hi again, Marcy Davis here from Quick Start Piano, where adults learn by playing the music they love most. And today we're going to look at Swan Lake by Tchaikovsky, a beginner piano version in the key of A minor. And I'm going to show you how to play the melody with the right hand and a chord pattern with the left hand. Now, if you want an easier version than that, you could take a look at this book here, Famous and Fun Classics, Book 1 by Carol Matz. I love this series. It goes all the way up to level 5, I think. And what I have done is I've used her melody, which in this book you use both hands to play the melody, so you don't have any hands left over for chords. And what I've done is I've played that melody all with my right hand and then put chords underneath. And I will show you how to do that. Let's take a look. All right, we've got Swan Lake, a beginner's version. We will have a melody on the right hand and chords on the left. Let's take a look at the melody first. You're going to put your hand in this 5-finger position with your thumb on A. And the first note we'll hit is E. And then we're going to start with your thumb and walk back up to A. Then to C again, up to E, and then A. And now we're going to do a tricky thing. We're going to put your pinky on C, and now you have a new 5-finger position. And we're going to walk down those chord tones. So C, A, F, C, A. Let's try that again from the beginning. So your pinky on E, A, B, C, D, E, C, E, C, E, A, pinky on C, A, F, C, A. Now for the next note, we want to get our 4th finger back up on the D, so we're in the position we started with. D, C, B, E, A, B, C, D, E, C, E, C, E, A, pinky to C, A, F, C, A. All right, so that is the right hand. And on the left hand, we're using the A minor chord and a D minor chord with a couple of exceptions. So I'll show you the basic way to do it, and then I'll show you a couple of rhythmic ways to do it. So we're going to start off with an A minor. And then we're going to do a D minor by using this D here, moving your thumb up to F, and keeping your pinky on A. So D minor, then back to A minor, another A minor, another A minor. Now we're going to do an A diminished, and that is just moving your thumb down to the E flat, then the D minor, and then A minor. D minor, A minor, D minor, A minor, A minor, again, slide your thumb down, D minor, and then A minor. So let me show you how that would work together. You might have noticed when my hands got a little crowded, I actually didn't hit all of the notes of the D minor because my right hand was in the way, and that is fine. So I did, and my left hand was just hitting these 2 notes to let my right hand do the melody. You could also play the D minor by jumping down here, playing everything in root position, but I didn't like the sound quite as well as doing it this way. Okay, now if we wanted to add a little bit more rhythm, just keep a steady beat. If that gets to be pretty easy and you want another challenge, you might try this rhythm. So the bottom half of your chord and then the top half. 1, 2, 3, 4. you switch to D, it would be like that. And then when you get to the A diminished, because it goes by so fast, I think I would hit each one just once. So, and then go back to that pattern. And probably it will sound better if you use your pedal. And switch the pedal every time you switch the chord. There you go. Have fun with it. I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, if you have an idea or a request for a tutorial that you would like to see, maybe a favorite tune or a certain aspect of music that you would like to see demonstrated, drop me a note in the comments. I'll see what I can do.